Today I am sharing a perfect pancake recipe which are soft outside and creamy inside. Good evening. Myself Dr. Preeti once again present here with something innovative. Today we will make something interesting. Choco-filled pancakes. It's yummy and not only the kids, everyone will like it a lot. We need a cup of wheat flour, half a cup of sugar, a cup of milk, half a cup of butter, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, 200 grams of dark chocolate, 1 tsp baking powder and essence. First we will make the batter for pancakes. 1 cup of wheat flour, half cup sugar, half a cup ghee, 1/3 cup cocoa powder, 1 spoonful of baking powder, 2 drops of white rose essence, and gradually add the milk and mix the ingredients well. Add some more milk if needed. Now, with the help of hand mixie, blend the batter nicely. Blend it in one direction only so as to get a smooth dropping consistency out of it. Blend it nicely for at least 3 to 4 minutes to get a perfect batter. Its nutritional value. See, to enhance the nutrition, we have used wheat flour at place of all-purpose flour or maida to improve the nutrition. Then we are using butter and milk, which is rich in vitamin A, calcium as well as proteins. Then we are using dark chocolate, which is rich in iron and magnesium. So chocolate is good, and isn't it a good news that chocolate is good, provided it is consumed moderately, because anything in excess is dangerous. Now coming to the recipe quickly, our batter is ready. See, dropping consistency. Now apply some butter to the pan. The gas is on sim. Now when pan is hot, pour some batter into the pan in the way I am doing it. Yes, and now it's done. Now add the chocolate pieces over it. Add around 7 to 8 chocolate pieces in each section. Now cover these chocolates with some batter over it. Now cover the pan with a lid and allow it to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now I have removed the lid and see, wow, how spongy it's looking. Now turn these cakes on another pan and allow it to cook for a couple of minutes. I have used another pan only to reduce the time required for the recipe. Again, grease the pan with the butter and pour some batter into it. Now add some chocolate pieces to it. Cover the chocolates with some more batter and now cover the pan with a lid and allow it to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Meanwhile, our first lot is ready. Wow, so spongy it is, and we will see it from inside. See how creamy it is. Wow. Serve it hot with chocolate pieces or some dark chocolate. So, isn't it easy? And we are doing it within 15 to 20 minutes only. So, isn't it great value for time? You can make these cakes for breakfast, for evening snacks, or even for kids' tiffins. So, our heavenly delicious and nutritious, perfect choco-filled pancakes are ready. It's so tempting. Superb. Out of 1 cup wheat flour, we can make total 10 pancakes. It's the best sweet dish kids would have ever liked. Without refrigerator, we can store it for 3 to 4 days easily. Coming to the contents,